Live on a Rock by Gideon Bentata. I'm not an ant, but I live on a rock. If you look on a map, we're just but a dot. Some mountains are big, but this one is small. I live in Gibraltar, the best rock of all. The flag of Gibraltar is pretty to see. It's red and it's white with a castle and key. There's all kinds of people that live on the rock. We also have tourists that love to come shop. Teachers and builders, doctors, police. All kinds of buildings, houses and streets. Gibraltar is British, so the rock had a queen. It used to be Moorish and Spanish between. There's so much to see on this rock of mine. There's caves, there's cannons, and monkeys to find. In summer, there's beaches. In winter, there's rain. We pass by the frontier when visiting Spain. We even have planes that fly very close, surrounded by water and beautiful birds. I live on a rock that's more than a stone. It's my favorite place. Gibraltar's my home.